Hey, have you ever heard about the dark web? How about cybersecurity? In this video, I'm going to give a quick intro and explain the relationship between these two topics. This video is perfect for a person looking to start or advance their career in tech, or is just interested in our digital world. Let's start with what the dark web is, how it works, and how people use it. We'll talk about how cybersecurity professionals try to minimize risks coming from some of these shady characters on the dark web after. The dark web is actually just one of three main parts of the internet. The other two are the deep web and the clear web. The clear web is everything that can be found using Google or any search engine. News sites, YouTube, Wikipedia, they're all part of the clear web. The deep web is anything that requires a password to see. This includes your email, banking information, and even Netflix technically is part of the deep web. The dark web is accessed with special software that makes your presence online totally anonymous. Being totally anonymous is actually really difficult. Normally, when you're at a computer, your activity online is stored on your computer, available to the internet provider you're using to connect to the internet, and also to the website you're viewing. Specifically, your device type and IP address, each house, office, router has a unique address, gets shared at every point along the way. Using an incognito window or private browsing just stops information from being stored on your device. Your internet provider and the website you're accessing can still know your IP address and your device. They still know you. One way to stay anonymous is to use a Tor browser, which stands for the onion router. Like multiple layers to an onion, data sent using a Tor browser are wrapped in multiple layers of security that are encrypted, kept secure with some cool tech along the way. So when you use the Tor browser, information isn't stored on your computer. Your internet provider and the website you're viewing don't really know your actual location since your IP address got sent through multiple different locations. It might look like you're in Texas, but you're actually in Paris. In really simple terms, the dark web is a place where people can go to send messages, buy and sell stuff, and stay totally anonymous. Journalists use it to get tips from their sources. Whistleblowers use it to report on illegal activities happening in their organizations. The CIA, one of the largest funders of Tor, uses it to communicate with each other. And lots of people use it to buy and sell pretty much anything illegal you can imagine. Purchases are made with Bitcoin or other digital currencies which keep your identity anonymous. If you ever heard about a data breach in the news, chances are that the information that was stolen ended up on the dark web for sale. People buy social security numbers, credit card numbers, company data, and lots of other stuff. Enter the cybersecurity specialists. The role of these folks, particularly at businesses, is to help secure their company's data and protect it from attack. Attacks could be from governments, which are going to be really hard to protect against. Other companies, people seeking fame, politically motivated hackers, terrorist groups, or just normal criminals. Many of the normal criminals want to get access to your or your company's information and sell it on the dark web. Since there's a market for illegal goods, there are people willing to get illegal stuff to sell. Cybersecurity specialists spend a lot of their time putting in place policies and procedures to protect against attacks. They also train the rest of the employees, both in classes and by sending fake attacks called phishing tests, to keep people on the lookout. More about phishing tests in a future video. As everyone spends more time online, the chance for crime increases. Willie Sutton, a famous bank robber in the 1930s, was once asked, "Why do you rob banks?" His reply, "That's where the money is." Now, the money, or things that can be sold for money, is online. To put it differently, a career in cybersecurity has fantastic job security. Cybersecurity professionals do have specialized technical skills, but don't require a college degree. For more information on how to start your career in cybersecurity, look at the description section of this video. Thanks for watching.